So I just went long here. I put a sell stop order here to protect my position. And I have a sell limit here. I don't even know this will work, but I just keep trying. At least this order, for this, I will not lose any money right now. I just move up my stop loss. So I'm stand to make about 3 points. Good money, right? It seems today will be a trading range day, so I just keep buying the lows and selling the highs. I'm about to get stop out. Okay, yeah, I got stop out. Okay, first trade, a winning trade. So it seems like the market wants to move down. See if it can do that. So this is the channel I drew. It's not a good place to buy or sell. I think it's below the EMA, apparently in a downtrend. And this buy is not that strong. So I'm thinking because it's overshoot here, I'm thinking it might have another channel down here. So the price will drop even further to 70. If I bought here, I don't know, it's gonna be too high. Do not do anything here. It's a battleground here. 5-minute chart is a high 1, high 2, failed high 2. This is a high 3. I guess it's going down to the 70s. Okay, so it's almost our target. It's a buy-in zone here. So I'm not selling. I will be buying. I'm looking at the 6-minute chart here. Doesn't seem like a good buying point. It's a wedge. Look at the EMA. Will the EMA support this? Or will it go down here? Maybe go down to here, to the 20. Five-minute is selling. I don't know if this area will hold. This area has been the support zone for several days. So I guess he might hold. Or if we turn around from here, I think there will be a second wave of selling to eventually break this zone. Don't know, we'll see. 5-minute, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth attempt to buy. Looks like a gap here on the 1-minute chart. See if the price can return to 83 to fill the gap. If it's gonna fill the gap, I guess this is the exhaustion gap, and we're expecting a reversal from here. So I went back from my work outside and didn't trade much today. So today my P&L is $200, nothing more. Actually, today is a pretty interesting day. Yesterday and the day before yesterday, the market has been in a trading range. It's very scary for people to enter the market. If we take this 5-minute chart here, yesterday you got uptrend, but you got big sell out. So I bet a lot of people got scared here and a lot of people selling here. So this area become a magnet here. So today the market opened above the trading range, the tight trading range. Yesterday the market remained this trading range for about 3 hours. So the market opened above the trading range and soon reverse back to the trading range and even down to yesterday's magnet here at 50s. And it bounced and then when it bounced to the upper edge of the trading range here, the market went down. So a lot of people selling here. Yeah, because this morning the market went down too fast. I bet a lot of people like me did not have the chance to sell here. So people are waiting for the market to come back to this area and sell. But here we can see at 43.40 here, this area is, we got some buyer here. So if we look at 60-minute chart here, okay, so I'm also organizing my thoughts on today's market. It's the price break below the EMA and bounce back and sell off again, but did not reach the low. It did not create a new low, and it seems it's going up again. So for me, if I'm a seller, I will sell the high of these two bars. So that would be 43.95 above. I will sell above. And I'll see if the market will go down to the low of the day. That will be 43.40. I'll see what happens. If the market goes below 43.40, will the market start to sell off, or is there any buyers still waiting here to buy? Here is the supply zone here. I don't know if this is a supply zone or not. I'm still trying to learn supply and demand zone. Sometimes I find it's a very interesting concept and very useful tool. And so I'm trying to integrate supply and demand theory into my trading. So we can say from February 24th, the market reversed from a lower low on the daily chart. This is a spike. Okay, this is a spike. 24 has a spike up. And then from 25th to today, the market is actually in a trading range, or to be more accurately, it's in a wedge. Okay, so I'm not sure. I did not see any overshoot of the wedge yet. So if there is an overshoot of the wedge, I definitely short here, short above. And if the overshoot of the wedge is to the downside, I definitely buy here. Okay, if it break 42.80, I'll definitely buy in this zone. I will sell at 44.30. Okay, and I also think this area is an interesting area that we need to pay more attention to. Okay, so that is today's chart. Luckily, today is a green day. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for listening to my channel. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.